Today, we're diving into the inspiring story behind one of the world's most popular media players, VLC. VLC has been a go-to for millions globally, all thanks to its simplicity, versatility, and most importantly, its lack of ads. But how has VLC managed to stay ad-free in a world where ad revenue drives most online platforms? Meet Jean-Baptiste. Kempf is the president and lead developer of Videoland, the organization behind VLC Media Player. He's dedicated to keeping VLC free, open source, and ad-free, despite turning down tens of millions of dollars in offers that would have added ads to the player. VLC has been a digital companion to anyone needing a reliable media player for nearly 2 decades. It handles almost every video and audio format out there, and it's completely open source. This means that developers from around the world can contribute to its code, making VLC incredibly versatile and customizable. Kempf's vision for VLC goes beyond just making a successful media player. It's about supporting the philosophy of open source software. This idea promotes transparency and community-driven development where anyone can use, modify, or share the software for free. Kempf has been steadfast in his belief that open source software should be accessible and user-focused rather than profit-driven. In fact, Kempf has been approached multiple times by major companies with tempting offers. Some proposals involved millions in exchange for adding advertisements or even creating exclusive paid versions of VLC. But Kempf refused. He believes that ads would disrupt the user experience and undermine the principles VLC stands for. In a world where streaming platforms and apps are filled with pop-ups and ads, VLC stands out as a breath of fresh air. Kempf's refusal to monetize VLC in this way is rare in the tech industry, and it's a reminder that not everything has to be profit-driven to succeed. Users appreciate VLC not just for its capabilities, but for the fact that it's distraction-free. Knowing that Kempf has actively chosen not to monetize with ads makes it even more appreciated by those who depend on it. Jean-Baptiste Kempf's dedication to keeping VLC ad-free is a powerful reminder of what tech can achieve when driven by values over profit. In his own words, VLC exists to do something different, to provide a service without requiring anything in return. So next time you open VLC, remember that it's not just a media player. It's a testament to open source ideals and the impact of putting users first. Kempf's journey with VLC began when he was a student. He joined the Videoland project, which was initially a student endeavor at the École Centrale Paris. The project aimed to create a versatile media player that could handle a wide range of formats, something that was sorely lacking at the time. Kempf quickly became a key contributor, driven by his passion for open source software and his belief in the power of community-driven development. Over the years, Kempf's dedication to the project grew, and he eventually took on the role of president of Videoland. Under his leadership, VLC continued to evolve, adding new features and improving its performance, all while remaining true to its core principles. One of the key reasons VLC has remained ad-free is the support it receives from its user community. Users from around the world contribute to the project, whether by coding, testing, or providing feedback. This collaborative effort has been crucial to VLC's success. Kempf has always emphasized the importance of this community, often saying that VLC is as much a product of its users as it is of its developers. This sense of community and shared purpose is what sets VLC apart from many other software projects. Another factor that has helped VLC stay ad-free is the funding it receives from various sources. While VLC is free to use, Videoland accepts donations and has received grants from organizations that support open source software. These funds help cover the costs of development and maintenance, allowing VLC to remain independent and ad-free. Kempf has always been transparent about the project's finances, ensuring that users know how their contributions are being used. This transparency has helped build trust and foster a sense of ownership among VLC's user base. In a world where many software projects are driven by profit, VLC stands out as a beacon of what can be achieved when values and community take precedent. Jean-Baptiste Kempf's unwavering commitment to keeping VLC ad-free is a testament to his belief in the power of open source software and the importance of putting users first. As VLC continues to evolve and adapt to new technologies, it remains a shining example of what can be achieved when a project is driven by passion and principles rather than profit. So the next time you open VLC to watch a movie or listen to music, take a moment to appreciate the dedication and values that have made it possible. VLC is more than just a media player. It's a symbol of what can be achieved when a community comes together to create something truly special. And it's all thanks to the vision and dedication of Jean-Baptiste Kempf and the global community that supports VLC. Here's to many more years of ad-free, open-source excellence. Thank you, Jean-Baptiste Kempf, and thank you to everyone who has contributed to VLC's success. Until next time, keep enjoying your media ad-free with VLC.